How to reset your American Express online password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search American Express. After you search American Express, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, type in your user ID and then scroll down. Click on Forgot User ID or Password. Then, this kind of screen will pop up. Add your email and then press on Continue. After you have pressed on Continue, you will need to add your card number. If it's existing card, you can click on it. If it's cancelled card, click on it. Add 15-digit card number and billing zip code. Then press on Continue. After that, verification code will be sent to your mail. Simply click on Verify in the mail and it will lead you to this page. Here, you can simply create a new password. Add a new password, confirm a new password, and press on Reset at the bottom. Then you will be able to log in using your user ID and the new password from here. This is how to reset your American Express online password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.